Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which account controls the lock screen name. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Your Info, make sure you're signed in and note whether it's a Microsoft account or a local account. Once done, choose the correct path. Microsoft accounts require changing the name on account. Microsoft. While local accounts are changed in Control Panel user accounts. Don't waste time toggling lock screen options. Windows shows whatever the account display name is, so we change that directly now. Next, if this is a Microsoft account, open a browser and sign into account. Microsoft. Using the same email shown on your PC. Go to your info, click Edit Name, type the new first and last name, and save. This updates the cloud profile that Windows pulls from. Once saved, sign out of Windows and sign back in so the system syncs the profile change. Make sure Windows is online. Without network sync, the old name will remain on the lock screen. Finally, if you're using a local account, open Control Panel, go to User Accounts, choose Change Your Account Name, enter the new display name, and apply. Once changed, lock the PC or restart to confirm the lock screen now shows the updated name. If it doesn't update, restart again and ensure Windows had internet access for Microsoft accounts. Troubleshooting tip. If the name still shows old text, verify the account type. Sign out of any synced Microsoft account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.